So welcome to my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Patrick the Technician. You can just go to YouTube and subscribe, and you'll be getting more tutorials like this one and more tutorials on how to use computers and the basic to advanced. So today we are creating a program, a game-like program that users will get some questions, and then depending on the answer that you're going to answer, they are going to be awarded points or scores. So the first thing that you're going to do, we are going to introduce ourselves. So this will be a computer question. So the other questions on that program will be about computers. Then we're going to create variables for all the questions that you'll be having. So each question will be having an answer. So the answer for question 1, and the answer of course will not be numbers but will be string because it's something text-like. Then you're going to declare the second variable, that is for answer for question number 2, and the data type will be string because you are inputting text. Then you're also going to put question number 3, the data type will be string, and maybe the difference between the data type that is number and string. With numbers you can be able to add maybe 1 plus 1 you get 2, but for the string, anything that you enter on the string data type will be taken as text, so you cannot be able to add. Even if you add 1 plus 1, it will be 1 1. If you add, it will be like adding your name. So if you add your first name plus second name, it will just be your name. Then you can just copy the blocks. You don't have to repeat anything that you have done. So as we usually do, we are going to set all those variables to 0, so that when the program starts, no question will be having an answer and the point will be 0. Then we are going to ask the user to, so the first simple question will be what CPU stands for what. So what is the meaning of the word CPU as used in computers? And then we are going to set the first question to the answer that you will receive from the user. The answer we receive from the user. So and then you are going to put a condition. So if the answer that you get from the user, so the answer you get from the user equals central processing unit, the correct answer for the CPU, or what CPU stands for, then the user will be awarded 1 point. Then we are going to add the point. So we set our scores to scores plus 1. So it will be scores plus 1. So score plus 1 point. If the user entered a wrong answer, then you're going to give him, or you're going to tell him what was required on the answer that he was supposed to answer. So for example, if maybe he entered or she entered the wrong answer, you can tell him wrong answer. The correct answer was supposed to be central processing unit. Then you go to the second question. So you go to the second, so you can wait for 1 minute or 1 second, sorry, 1 minute is too big, so you can wait for 0.5 seconds, and then we can ask the second question. We can just duplicate that one, the whole block. Find that you just have to edit a little bit of it, not all of it. So for example, you can change what, so you can edit that one. So you can welcome to the second question, and then we can say what do you want. So the second question should be RAM stands for what? So what is the meaning of the word RAM as used in computers? And we set our second question to the answer that you are going to receive. And then if the second answer is random access memory, random access memory, so of course you have to set our question 2 equals, then you can remove that one. So then the score will be the score that you already have. You add 1, so you can just edit it one and say if you entered, for example, the user has entered the wrong answer, we can just write wrong answer, and then the correct answer was supposed to be random access memory. And then you can duplicate that block of code so that we can be able to put the third question that we have. So you can change this to welcome to the third question, or the question number 3 that we have. And then what will be our question number 3? So this one you can try something else. So this one you can ask which of the following is not a part of a computer. Which of the following is not a part of the computer? And then you can give a list of parts or items. So you have mouse, you have keyboard, and you can have another item that is, let me think, a door. So and then you're going to set that question as the answer that you are going to receive, and of course we have to set question 3. So you go to operators, and then so let's try the note, but that one will not work, so let's just use equals. So you want to see if our answer is not equals the wrong answer that you have, that is door. Then of course so if the answer that you are going to receive is equals door, so be patient. So you can have two conditions. So you can say if the answer that we receive for question 3 is not, if it's not a part of, so that one there is a mistake there. There's a mistake somewhere, so I should correct that one. Sorry for that. So you see, when you say the is equal to mouse or keyboard, it means that our answer will be wrong. So let's use equals to. Maybe on the other problem that you are going to create, we can try with or not. Sorry for that. When you are programming or when you are creating something, sometimes you get confused, or when you're trying to try alternative that you have, you can get confused. So you're going, if not, if the question is equal to door, then of course door is not a part of a computer, then you're going to add the score. And then if the user enters another part that is not the one that you want, so you'll get feedback, and you can start our program. And you see central processing unit, our CPU stands for what? Then you have central processing unit. Then you get 1 point. Then you do the question, the second one. This one is RAM start for random access memory, so you get 2. And then which of the following is not part of a computer, and which of the following is not part of the computer. So let's try again. CPU, I don't know. So you see, if you make a mistake, you will not get a point, but if you put the right answer, you get some point. So keep tuned to my YouTube channel and also on my TikTok to get videos, more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.